Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a reveal of the Spacenk Autumn gift with purchase that is worth £300. This gift with purchase will be live on the 1st of September, so by the time you're seeing this video, it should be live, and you will need to make a purchase of £175 to be eligible for it, and you can step it up by adding another £25 and win an extra product. I'm going to go over all the details of this goodie bag, so if you want to know more, make sure you stay tuned. But before I do so, if you love all things skincare, make sure you subscribe because that's all we do on this channel. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the details of this goodie bag. This goodie bag will feature 30 products, but only one of them will be a full size. Usually we get a few more full sizes, but this one doesn't. The first product that we're going to be getting is by Elemis, and it's the Pro Collagen Cream. We're getting 5 ml and it's worth £8.7. Next product is by Augustinus Bader. We're going to get the cream, the face cream. We're getting it in 7 ml and it's worth £29.1. Next product is by Janeiro. We're getting the Boom Boom Cream. This is the original cream from the brand. We're getting 25 ml, decent size, and it's worth £6. Next product is the full-size product. It is a staple in a lot of people's routine. It's the Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant, and it is worth £29. Next product is by BIOSSANCE. It's their Vitamin C Rose Face Oil. We're getting 12 ml and it's worth £22. Next product is the Somerville EXFOLIKATE Intensive Treatment, 7.5 ml and it's worth £10.5. Next we've got a makeup item by Hourglass. It's the Translucent Setting Powder. We're getting 0.9 grams and it's worth £3.68. Next up, we've got a new brand on Spacenk. I actually tried to find this specific product and I couldn't find the brand at all on their website, so I'm expecting it to be launched soon. It's called Bam Ford. We're getting the Geranium Hand and Body Wash. We're getting 50 ml and it's worth £4.8. Next up, we've got a product by Charlotte Mensa Manchetti Hair Oil. We're getting 15 ml and it's worth £7.2. Next, we have the Revive Gel Cleanser, 50 ml and it's worth £18.33. Next, we have a product that we get in a lot of goodie bags. It is a good one though. It's the Oskia Renaissance Cleansing Gel. We're getting 35 ml and it retails for £16. Next, we have a brow product by It Cosmetics. It's the Brow Powder Universal Taupe Eyebrow Pencil, 0.05 grams, and it's worth £6.56. Next, we have a product by Emma Hardy. It's the Protect and Prime SPF 30. We're getting 15 ml and it retails for £4.2. Next, we have a product by Omoro Vixa. It's the Miracle Facial Oil. I heard great things about this face oil. We're getting 5 ml and it retails for £14.16. Next, we have a product by one of my favorite body brands. It's the Ameliorate Transforming Body Lotion, 30 ml, and it's worth £5.4. Next, we've got a vitamin C sheet mask by the brand Radiol. We're getting 1 and it retails for £14. Next up, we've got the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Daily Peel. We get this in every single goodie bag, and I'm not upset about that because I love them. We're getting 3 treatments, and that is a value of £11.4. Next, we have a deluxe size from the Laura Mercier matte lipstick. It's called Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. We're getting it in the shade Fresh, and we're getting 0.42 grams, and it's worth £7.5. Next, we have a product by Verso, and it's the Daily Glow. We're getting 10 ml and it's a value of £15. Next, we have a product by Chantecaille, very luxurious brand. We're getting the Rice and Geranium Cleanser, 8 ml, and it's worth £6.28. Next, we have a product by Dr. Lip Nipple Balm. We're getting 4 ml, it's worth £3.2. Next, we have a gel moisturizer by Caudalie. It's called the Venosource Hydrogel Moisturizer. We're getting 15 ml and it's worth £7.8. I have tried this in the past. It's quite nice, specifically for oily skin. Next, we're getting the Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask by Briogeo. We're getting 29 ml and it's worth 3.93 pounds. This is a great hair mask, especially if you suffer from dry hair. Next, we have the Exfoliating Scalp Treatment by Virtue. Haven't tried this before. We're getting 15 ml and it's worth 4.6 pounds. Next, we have a product by Malin and Goetz. We're getting the Advanced Renewal Moisturizer 5 ml and it retails for 6.6 pounds. We're also getting some bath salts by the brand Alvaron. We're getting 40 grams and it's worth 6 pounds. Next, we have the Kiehl's Ultra Light Daily Defense SPF 50. We're getting 5 ml and it's worth 3.33 pounds. Next, we have another hair care product. It's by Way. It's the Thick Hair Treatment Mask, 30 ml, and we're getting 4.06 pounds. 2 more products to go. Next, we have the Ren Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30, 10 ml, and it's worth 6.4 pounds. And finally, we have the Patchology Flash Mask Illuminate Single. We're getting 1 sheet mask and it retails for 8 pounds. Now, if you want to step up your goodie bag, you can spend 200 pounds, so 25 pounds more than 175 pounds, and you'll be eligible to get the Augustinus Bader Face Oil. We're getting 10 ml, and that retails, my friends, for 65 pounds. Very expensive oil. I haven't personally tried it, but I don't think it's worth that much. It's probably just the name. That is it for this goodie bag. Let me know in the comments, are you going to be picking it up? I personally am still not sure with everything going on right now. All the advent calendars being out. I think they came out very early and I'm kind of confused. I'm not sure if I really want to make a purchase of 200 pounds or 175 to be eligible for this goodie bag. It is good. I don't think it's as great as I thought it would be. I'd rather save that money for the advent calendar, but I'm really not sure. I'm going to give it a few more hours before I decide. But let me know your thoughts. Do you like it? Do you think it's worth it? And that's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye guys!